Hey everyone, welcome to this English listening practice video. You can use this video to train your listening and your comprehension while I speak. So relax, listen carefully, and don't worry if you don't understand every word. Today I want to talk about language learning. If you're watching this video, you are probably learning English. And maybe sometimes you feel like learning English is very hard. And you know what? That feeling is completely normal. Language learning takes time. This is the most important thing to understand. Time. You can have good teachers, good apps, good videos, but if you don't spend enough time with English, you will not improve. There is no magic trick. There is no shortcut. I'm a language teacher, but I'm also a language learner. I learn languages because I enjoy it. I enjoy talking to people from other countries. This is the best part of learning a language. When you learn English, you can talk to people from many different places. You can make friends. You can understand new ideas. You can feel more confident. But learning a language is not easy. Sometimes I feel frustrated. Sometimes I don't understand people. Sometimes people don't understand me. And sometimes I feel nervous when I speak. Maybe you feel the same way. You think, what if I say something wrong? What if my grammar is bad? What if my pronunciation sounds strange? These feelings are normal. Everyone feels this way when learning a language. And mistakes. Mistakes are part of the process. I make mistakes with grammar. I make mistakes with vocabulary. I make mistakes with pronunciation. And that's okay. If you don't make mistakes, you don't improve. To get better, you need to speak. And when you speak, you will make mistakes. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help your brain learn. Another important thing is fun. If learning English is boring, it becomes very hard to continue. So try to make English fun. For example, read things in English that you actually like. Don't read boring books just because they are good for learning. If you like sports, read about sports. If you like technology, read about technology. If you like stories, read stories. I personally love fiction, so I read novels in other languages. It doesn't feel like studying, it feels like enjoyment. The same is true with videos. Watch videos in English about topics you enjoy. Cars, travel, fashion, business, food, anything you like. English should be part of your life, not a school subject. And one more thing. Practice with people. If you can, talk to people who speak English, or talk to people who are also learning English. This helps you a lot. When you use English with real people, it becomes real. It's not just words in a book anymore. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Learning English takes time. Making mistakes helps me learn. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to practice. Good. So remember this. If English feels difficult sometimes, that's okay. If you feel nervous, that's normal. Just keep going. Spend time with English. Enjoy the process. Little by little, you will improve. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.